In this video, we're going to show you how to install the sway bar and link on your Volvo S60 located behind your front wheels. With the vehicle raised and supported, we're going to use our 19mm socket to loosen the lug studs. I'm going to go ahead and set these aside. You want to be ready to capture that wheel because the stud itself is going to come out with it and the wheel is going to follow right after. Grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now with the wheel removed, you're going to locate your end link right here. And this is an 18mm nut right here. We're going to use our gun here to go ahead and loosen and remove that nut. The nut is clearly spinning with the stud here, so what we're going to use is a Chocks bit to hold the center and our wrench to go ahead and spin off the nut. We use our T40 Chocks bit in the center here. Now on the bottom part of the link here, we have a 15mm nut. Let's go ahead and use our impact gun to see if we can loosen this. Same as the top, we're having an issue there with the stud spinning inside, so we're going to transition into our regular ratchet with a Chocks bit. Now this Chocks bit here is going to be a T30. We'll use our 15mm gear wrench on the bottom here. Let's feed our new link up into position. Now it does make a difference. The upper stud and nut are the same as the old one, so we have a 15mm on the bottom. We're going to go ahead and just snug this down. We're going to go ahead and torque this down to 44 foot-pounds. There it is. Go ahead and bring this around, get that installed. Let's go ahead and tighten that down. Let's go ahead and torque that down to 66 foot-pounds. Now before starting this here, I'd like to go ahead and line up our brake rotor so that we have one of the wheel studs holes right at 12 o'clock. Grab your wheel, line that up. I'm going to try and get that top center one started. Once we have that top center one started, we can go ahead and let go of that, and then we'll get the other four started. Once these are all started, we're going to go ahead and snug them down. When doing this here, it's preferred to do it in a crisscross or a star pattern. Let's torque down our lug nuts to 103 foot-pounds. Once again, doing this in a crisscross or star pattern. Let's come back to that first one more time, just double check it, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.